Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how you can customize and configure Hotjar into Shopify. So by the end of this video you're going to understand how to make an account with Shopify, how to implement Hotjar into Shopify. If you do want to use both of these links, please make sure to use both of the links in the description for you to be able to get on. Now the first step is to install Hotjar on your Shopify site. Go to your Hotjar sites page and click on the installing tracking code. Click on Add Code Manually and click on Copy to copy the tracking code to your clipboard. So you copy the clipboard and visit your Shopify admin visit your Shopify admin dashboard. Click your online store, then click on Themes. On your current theme, click on Actions and then select Edit Code, as shown here. With the layout folder, click on Theme Liquid. Scroll down to the Theme Liquid page until you found the head closing tag, which is a HTML code. Paste your Hotjar tracking code just before the closing head tag. Click on Save to apply the changes. To install the tracking code on your order status, inside the Shopify admin sidebar, click on Settings. Click on Checkout, then scroll down until you reach the order state page script section. Paste the Hotjar tracking code in the text field and click Save. And this is the easiest way for you to be able to implement Hotjar into your Shopify. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.